there. Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into relationships, intimacy, and everything in between. Today's topic: 99.9% of women want this in bed from men. This is the ultimate guide to understanding what women truly desire in intimate moments. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to elevate your connection, build trust, and become the partner she dreams about. Let's get started. 1. It's about emotional connection first. Here's the first big secret. Intimacy starts way before the bedroom. For most women, emotional connection is the foundation of great physical intimacy. What does this mean for you? Listen actively. Show genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. Compliment her. Let her know you appreciate her for more than just her looks. Be present. Put your phone away. Maintain eye contact and focus entirely on her. When a woman feels emotionally connected, she's far more likely to open up physically. 2. Foreplay is non-negotiable. Next up, let's talk about foreplay. 99.9% of women will tell you that foreplay isn't just a nice to have, it's essential. Foreplay builds anticipation and sets the stage for intimacy. Here are a few things you can do. Take your time. Rushing through foreplay can make her feel like you're not prioritizing her pleasure. Explore sensual touch. Soft kisses, gentle caresses, and exploring her favorite spots can work wonders. Use your words. Whispering sweet nothings or playful banter can heighten the mood. Remember, foreplay isn't just a prelude. It's an experience in itself. 3. Communication is key. Let's get one thing straight. Communication is incredibly sexy. Women appreciate partners who are willing to talk openly about their desires and boundaries. Here's how you can master the art of bedroom communication. Ask what she likes. Don't assume. Ask her what makes her feel good. Use positive reinforcement. Let her know when she does something you enjoy. It builds confidence. Check in often. A simple "does this feel good?" can make all the difference. Open communication not only enhances the experience, but also builds trust and intimacy. 4. Pay attention to her body language. Sometimes, what she wants isn't spoken. It's shown through her body language. Learning to read these cues can make you a more attentive partner. Look for signs like relaxed movements. If she's relaxed and leaning into you, it's a good sign she's comfortable. Responsive touch. If she's touching you back or guiding your movements, follow her lead. Facial expressions. A genuine smile or soft moans can tell you you're on the right track. Being attuned to her nonverbal cues shows that you're paying attention to her needs. 5. Variety and spontaneity. Let's face it, routine can get boring. Women love a bit of variety and spontaneity in the bedroom. This doesn't mean you have to reinvent the wheel, but small changes can keep things exciting. Here's what you can try. Different settings. Surprise her with a romantic setup in a new location. Playful challenges. Turn intimacy into a fun game with playful rules. Explore together. Introduce something new, like a sensual massage or a slow dance session. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being playful and adventurous. 6. Genuine confidence. There's nothing more attractive than genuine confidence. Women want to feel desired by someone who's self-assured and comfortable in their own skin. Here's how you can exude confidence. Take the lead. Initiate intimacy with clear intent, but always be respectful of her boundaries. Be present. Confidence comes from being fully in the moment, without distractions. Own your vulnerability. Showing your softer side can be just as powerful as being assertive. Confidence isn't about arrogance. It's about making her feel safe and cherished. 7. Focus on her pleasure. This is the golden rule. Prioritize her pleasure. Women value partners who are attentive, patient, and willing to put their needs first. Here are some tips. Ask for feedback. A simple "do you like this?" can go a long way. Be patient. Don't rush the experience. Let her set the pace. Celebrate her satisfaction. Let her know how much you enjoy making her happy. When she knows you genuinely care about her pleasure, it creates a deeper level of intimacy. 8. The aftercare moment. Finally, let's talk about what happens after. For most women, intimacy doesn't end once the physical act is over. It's about the connection that follows. Here's how to nail the aftercare moment. Cuddle. Physical closeness after intimacy can make her feel loved and valued. Talk about the experience. Share what you enjoyed and ask her how she felt. Be gentle. Whether it's stroking her hair or holding her hand, small gestures go a long way. Aftercare isn't just an add-on. It's a crucial part of creating a lasting connection. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to what 99.9% of women want in bed from men. Remember, it's not about tricks or techniques. It's about connection, communication, and care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need these tips. Let me know in the comments, what's one thing you think every couple should focus on in their intimate moments? Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay confident, stay compassionate, and keep the spark alive.